Right, good afternoon everyone, welcome back to the channel. Thank you for stopping by. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing, dropping a like on the video to help me reach a wider audience, and any comments or questions you've got, please leave them down below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Now, as you've probably seen from the title of this video, this is about Stepn GMT, and well, what's the time? It is 12:46 UK time, and Stepn's up 26% in the last 24 hours, or GMT rather. Which is quite a significant pump, to be honest with you. So I want to go through a little article I've read about it and then quickly look at the charts afterwards. So I'll start off by going through the cryptocurrency market as a whole. We've actually just broken through $1 trillion market cap. We've got 24-hour trading volume of $53 billion. We've got 42% Bitcoin dominance, so Bitcoin dominance is slowly creeping up. But the alts are following, which they do tend to do. So Bitcoin is approaching $23,000. It's 22.9 at the moment, up 9% on the week. Ethereum is up 6% on the week, trading at 1.6. If we go to the biggest rises over the last 24 hours, we can see Stepn's at the top. It's currently up 30% over the last 7 days and 26% today. Axie Infinity is doing quite well. So a lot of these gaming coins do seem to be moving up slightly. Let's look at the last 7 days. This Aptos, I'm not in that, but that's done well over the last week. Again, Axie Infinity, H-bar, I've got a small amount of H-bar. GMT, I'm quite... Personally, what I've been doing with my GMT, I've just been swapping it for Solana, and I will continue to do so, because I believe Solana's got a much better future long-term than GMT. That's just not financial advice. That's not to say that Stepn can't keep rising, but the faster it rises, the more Solana I can accumulate. So if we go to the Stepn, the GMT page on CoinMarketCap, we can see we're currently sitting at 64 cents. Now, bearing in mind this was down as low as, it was under 40 cents not long ago. It was like 30 something from memory, because I've been doing this because I go to the gym every day, I walk my dog every day. So ever since this Stepn came out, I've got my sneakers, and I've been, even during when I was earning like £2 a day, I've been doing it. But at the moment I'm probably earning about £5 a day from Stepn. I've got 9 sneakers, and I won't bore you with the details, but I'm probably only about £5 a day, so that works out to about at least 1.5 Solana a week I can earn, which is, you know, I don't mind that. So this price pump is helping me out. So anyway, market cap of $384 million, 24-hour trading volume $851 million, and there's a total circulating supply of 600 million GMT, which is 10% of the supply. So what you've got to be careful is you don't know when they're going to drop more on the market. At the moment there's 600 million, but they've got 6 billion there. There's a lot, they can just dump a load on the market, and then yeah, what's going to happen with price, which is why I'm swapping mine out for Solana as and when I possibly can. If you go through the sentiment, it's difficult to ascertain like a nuanced view on it, because what you get a lot of people that post about these little meme coins as well, but there's a lot of people that they got burnt badly by this project. People got in when Solana was at say $200 a coin, and you're paying 10 Solana for a pair of sneakers on the Move to Earn app, and then not only does Solana tank, but GST, the original asset, tanks. Like, some people are earning over $1,000 a day from this thing, like, you know, but obviously that's not sustainable. To me, $5 or $10 or £5 or £10 a day is sustainable. It's realistic. I mean, how much money can you realistically make out of walking? I'll do another video actually. I've started doing Sweatcoin because, yeah, because I'm at the gym, I train every day, I do boxing, I run every day. So as much as I can make in the background while I'm doing what I ordinarily do, it's good for me. Anyway, I'm waffling slightly, so I'll move on to this very short article which is on You Today. So here we go. Any rally on NFT or GameFi related projects is a surprise, especially in 2023, when the majority of NFT related projects have lost most of their capitalization and have not been receiving any fresh funding. However, Stepn recently gained a solid foothold on the market and saw a 21% price increase in the last 24 hours. Excuse me, my voice, I think I'm getting a cold again. Where was I? Since the beginning of the recovery of the cryptocurrency market, Stepn has gained more than 100% to its value, showing one of the best performances among assets from the top 100 market by capitalization. Such an explosive rally was thanks to the traditionally high volatility of the assets and overall recovery of the NFT and DeFi industries. Now, I wouldn't say DeFi was recovering. I'm in Drip, I'm in Furia, they're both in freefall. There's some other projects out there I don't really going to want to go into, but DeFi is a very, very murky world at the moment. Where was I? According to Delphi Digital, both NFTs and GameFi have been seeing a recovery of inflows. The tendency has most likely been tied to increasing tolerance to risks. Meme assets like Shiba Inu and Dogecoin also saw a fresh wave of investors that have been sitting on the sidelines for more than a year now. The GameFi and NFT industries are similar to volatile assets in terms of risks. With the further recovery of the market, we will most likely see a continuation of ascending movements on assets like Stepn as their true potential reveals itself during rallies like we saw in 2021. Unfortunately, there is no way to tell how long the recovery rally on the market, or on Stepn specifically, will last. GMT is currently reaching the local resistance level of 69 cents, reflected in the 200-day moving average. Other assets broke through and gained a foothold above the mentioned resistance. Now, on my charts, sorry, I'll link that. I read that appallingly. My throat's hurting somewhat, and yeah, sorry, I'm just waffling a bit. So if I go to the Stepn chart, I don't have a 200-day moving average. I have a 50 and 100 in my two. I won't say what they are. It's something that I was taught by my mentor. So we've pushed above on the daily, above the 50 and above the 100, and we did have resistance at 58 cents. The next resistance on my chart is apparently at 73 cents. So I would expect us to push through that with the momentum we have behind us. I'd expect us to push through that. I'm not saying today, but within a not too distant future. And there's nothing on this. Actually, we're in double top territory now. I've just noticed that there. So we're in double top territory. So if we can close above that today, and because it already has tested it and rejected it, we're pulling back slightly. If I go down to a lower time frame, so I'll go to the 4 hourly, we can see definitely a slight rejection. But let's go back to the daily, because that's what I'm more interested in. Should we be able to break out this double top pattern, which we did with Bitcoin? I don't know if you watched my video about Bitcoin yesterday, but it's proven to be quite accurate. My analysis is looking like it was spot on. So I don't know if you want to go and watch that. But so just in conclusion, I can see us hitting 73 cents, and should we hit 73 cents, we've got no resistance until we hit just $1.07. So I can quite clearly see this could be up to $1 by the end of next week, maybe 2 weeks. Just, I can't put a timeline on it, but I can see that this could continue to pump for a few days at least. Of course, none of this is financial advice. This is purely for entertainment purposes only, and for people out there that are interested in investing in projects like this. Like I said, if you haven't subscribed, please consider doing so, because I'm going to continue to put content out like this. If you can drop a like on the video, it will help me to reach a wider audience. And any comments or questions you've got, please leave them down below. I always get back to people, maybe not the same day, but when I can. So yeah, I'll leave it for there. I wish you all a wonderful afternoon and evening, and I'll speak to you in the next one. Bye for now.